Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trade Club. In this video, we will talk about the Parabolic SAR strategy. But before we start, you can click subscribe button below and you will get notification when we upload a new video. You can join our free Telegram channel so you can get free education like ebook or trading signals for free. Now, let's get started. Parabolic SAR. According to Investopedia, the Parabolic SAR is a technical indicator used to determine the price direction, as well as draw attention to when the price direction is changing. Sometimes known as the stop and reversal system. The Parabolic SAR was developed by J. Wells Wilder Jr., also the creator of the Relative Strength Index, RSI. How to install the indicator? We are using TradingView to use this indicator. Go to tradingview.com or you can click link in description below and sign up for a free account. In free account you can get access up to 3 indicator for free. Now, go to product and you will see the market chart, click on it. Choose a currency pair and set the time frame to 1 hour. Click on Indicator, search for Parabolic SAR. Click on it. Change the color to white, so you can easily see the Parabolic SAR indicator. Your chart will look like this. The rule of Parabolic SAR strategy. We will look for the Parabolic SAR position. When the Parabolic SAR position is on the bottom, go for long or buy transaction. When the Parabolic SAR position is on the top, go for short or sell transaction. Now you can see in the chart. The Parabolic SAR is moving from top to bottom. We can go for buy or long transaction. Set the stop loss to the last low of the market. Set the take profit 1.5 times, so we are using 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. Let's see how this trade turns out. This trade hit the take profit. Now you can see in the chart. The Parabolic SAR is moving from bottom to top. We can go for sell or short transaction. Set the stop loss to the last high of the market. Set the take profit 1.5 times, so we are using 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. Let's see how this trade turns out. This trade hit the take profit. Backtesting Parabolic SAR strategy. Now, let's test the Parabolic SAR indicator for 100 times trade. The starting balance of this test is $1,000. We will use 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio with 1% of risk for single trade. If we loss, we will lose $10. And if it profit, we will get $15. We will do the test on Euro USD with 1 hour time frame. You can see on your screen when I am doing the backtest with this indicator. Backtesting result. Before we discuss about the result, please support this video by giving like and subscribing to this channel. That will keep me motivated to create free education in this channel. Now, we can see the result of the Parabolic SAR indicator. The Parabolic SAR indicator has 50 profit trade and 50 loss trade. It means on 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio, the Parabolic SAR indicator has 50% of win rate. The consecutive profit is 4 trade in a row, and the consecutive loss is 4 in a row. The account start from $1,000 and end up at $1,250 with 25% account growth. Conclusion. Now we want to tell you the conclusion of this indicator. This indicator is very simple to use. Even if you are a beginner, you can easily use this indicator. But this trading strategy is bad at ranging area. So please avoid ranging area when using this indicator. So that's all about the Parabolic SAR trading strategy. I hope you can understand the content of the video and like the video. Please support this channel by giving a like and subscribing to this channel so we can develop in the future. We are on Simple Trade Club. Create this video is for education purposes only and not a financial advice for you. We are not responsible for any profit or loss you had when using this trading strategy. Don't forget to join our free Telegram channel so you can get free education like ebook or trading signals for free. See you in the next video.